Ikaw, why are you still here? And why are you treating my classmates like dogs?
Uy, hindi naman.
Then what are you doing?
Binibigyan sila ng pagkain.
Wala ka kasi dito ng ilang araw eh. Ilang araw tuloy kami walang pananghalian.
Walang ginawa si Kiefer?
Si Yuri Hanamichi, classmate namin. Classmate natin.
Ba't ngayon na siya dumating?
Suspended kasi siya. Pumasok ba naman sa kantin? Di ba bawal kami doon?
Yabang ah.
Uy! Uy, Yuri!
Musta, pre?
My guy! Yes!
Musta, boys? Musta, boys?
Yuri! pasalubong mo. Oh, you really know me.
Bro, baka
Thank you.
kami din. Baka meron kami pasalubong dyan.
Meron doon sa room.
Meron doon?
Yes!
Musta, pre?
Wala talaga.
Oh, ano? Yuri. Musta Japan? How was it?
Ayos lang.
How's your grandfather?
Ganun pa rin sa tanda. Fixing a few things sa family, but enough about me. So, JJ, ha?
She's getting on my nerves.
Tinakot niyo na ba?
She's different. We need to do something. You know what happened the last time you let a girl into the section. She needs to drop out or transfer. I don't care. I want her out.
Dali lang nun sa'yo. Diba, pinagkaiba niyo sa mga babae dati.
Trust me. She's different. We need to go hardcore in this one.